Everybody. This is Anthony Santosh, Assistant Professor of Chemistry in St. Joseph College of Arts and Science. I am handling physical chemistry. Let us discuss one topic in physical chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss the thermodynamics, and in thermodynamics, we are going to discuss few topics: work, heat, and their measurement. While discussing the topic work, heat, we will see in the order like this: their meaning. If there is any definition, we will see that also, and some problems, and before that some units. So in this way we will be discussing the topics of work, heat, and energy like topics. First of all, I would like to explain the topic work. So we may know what is the meaning for the word work. In normal sense, work is doing something, moving something, or taking something, or fishing, whatever we wish, whatever we do, for whatever we are using our energy, where our physical energy or mental energy or some technical energy, okay, technical way. So that is called work. But in the scientific way, especially physics way, the definition is different from our normal concept. Okay, first I would like to say you the words which are given in the slide. Then we will see some physics terms. In its everyday sense, the term work means to do something that takes physical or mental effort. But in physics, work has a distinctly different meaning. So what is that? Now we are going to consider two concepts. We can consider this concept or any concepts. So the first example is: a student holds a heavy chair at arm's length for several minutes. For that we have to spend energy. For the particular student should spend energy. What is the second example? A student carries a bucket of water along a horizontal path while walking at a constant velocity. For this also enormous amount of energy is needed according to the size of the bucket and the amount of water which is present in it. Likewise, if we push some rope tied to some standard post, or if we pull the rope, and if we push a strong wall, for all those things we used to give energy, but there will not be any movement in it. In Tamil, in the language of Tamil, it is the definition is used to give in a beautiful way. ஒரு நேர்கோட்டில் பயணம் செய்கிற பொருளை மாற்றுவதோ அல்ல மாற்ற முயற்சி செய்வதோ வேலை எனப்படும். Likewise, it is given in the Tamil definition. But in the case of English, it is clearly given that should move the position of the material or any object. As the term work is used in physics, there is no work done on the chair or a bucket. In the above two examples, according to physics, no work is done. A student holds a heavy chair at arm's length for several minutes. So what? There is no movement in the chair. A student carries a bucket of water along a horizontal path while walking at a constant velocity. In this case also, there is no movement of position of the bucket. So as the term work is used in physics, there is no work done on the chair or in the bucket. Even though effort is required energy spending is required in both cases. Okay. Now we can see in another form the definition of work. In physics, work means more than something that requires physical or mental effort. Work is done on an object when a force causes a displacement of the object. So this is the main part of the definition in physics. Work is done on an object when a force causes a displacement of the object. Work is the product of the force applied to an object and the displacement of the object. It is given in the formula as W is equal to F into D. W is the work is equal to the force that is applied to using the force, how long it is moved, that is what called distance D. So F into D is equal to W according to physics, and in some cases it will be given as W is equal to F or D cos theta. We know, we will be seeing that later. And what are the units for the system, the different in different systems for force, distance and work? We can see all those things in this slide. So in SI systems, the force has the unit of Newton, capital N. Distance can be measured, determined in meter, small m. So work is equal to force into distance. So it becomes N into m, Newton meter. So N is Newton, m is meter. So Newton meter is equal to joule. The unit conversion, joule capital J, is the unit of work in SI system. Next, CGS system. In CGS system, the force has the unit of dyne and the distance can be measured in centimeters. So dyne and centimeters gives the product of erg. So dyn into centimeters equal to erg. So this is the unit of work in CGS unit, CGS system. Now in other BE and or USC system, the same work can be measured in pound. The force can be measured in pound. It has the symbol LB, and distance can be measured in foot, FT. So foot into pound, that is a force into distance, a foot pound, it is collectively known as FT dot LB. So these are the units, different types of units in different types of systems, SI, CGS and BE or USC. So the units of the work, different units of the work. Now we can have some definitions related to the topic what we are discussing now in thermodynamics. It is necessary to be known to us. Okay. In thermochemistry, what is thermochemistry? It is the study of how energy in the form of heat is consumed and produced by chemical reactions. So it is the study of how energy in the form of heat is consumed and produced by chemical reactions. That is what called thermochemistry. And it may be defined in another manner. The flow of heat. Thermodynamics is simply given in the name of a flow of heat. Okay. So the consequences, the study about the consequences of flow of heat, that may be absorption, or that may be absorption of heat, or that may be releasing of losing of heat energy. Okay, that is what called thermochemistry. Next, thermochemical reactions. Example, H2 of gas plus O2, gas gives 2H2O liquid plus heat. So this is a thermochemical reaction, since heat is liberated in the combining of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, 2H2O liquid. Okay. Now what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. We will simply say ability. Energy is whether we are having the ability or not. If I am energized means I am having the energy. If a machine is energized means it is possessing of fuel and it is ready to work. It should possess the energy. So here energy is anything having the capacity to do work or to transfer heat. Okay, now what is work? Work is equal to force into distance, that we have seen earlier. It is repeated here. Okay, thermodynamics, the study of energy and its transformation from one form to another. This is given in other words. So the same concept can be explained in different words. Okay, so it is the study about the heat energy transformation, or in particular here energy and its transformation. Next we will be seeing at a constant pressure what is happening in the change of energy or work, like that. This is also continuation of the last slide. By definition, a change in energy equals heat refers to Q plus W. That is change in energy. Delta E is equal to Q plus W. Q is quantity of heat and W is the work done. Considering a process carried out at constant pressure, work involves only a change in volume. We can then substitute minus P delta V. Okay, minus P delta V for W. So here if we are substituting that for work, pressure change in volume, if it is pressure is constant and the change in volume during the compression, there will be decrease in the volume, so there will be a minus in the total content. So we are getting minus P delta V or P dV. Sometime it will be measured like that. So we can see those things in another topic separately. So what is that? That is delta E is equal to QP at a constant pressure. QP at constant pressure minus P delta V. Okay. Then if we want to solve for the heat transferred QP at constant pressure, we simply rearrange the equation. We can simply rearrange the equation. QP is equal to delta E plus P delta V. So QP can be calculated by using this formula. QP is equal to delta E. When this content goes to the next, when this content crossing the equal symbol, this minus symbol will become a positive symbol. Okay, so this is what is given at constant pressure.